Good morning, children. So, we have a long weekend from tomorrow, huh? Many of you must have already planned to go out with their families to good restaurants, right? These days, these restaurants serving unlimited pizzas are really trending, isn't it? We have one right opposite to our school also. And ironically, we also have Nutrition Week coming next week. Anyways, this reminds us of a tweet we had read some time back. It was from Ratan Tata, the chairman of Tata Group of Companies. You know, children, Germany is a very rich country, at least much richer compared to our country. And Hamburg is the second biggest city of Germany after its capital Berlin. Ratan Tata had gone to Hamburg for some business. His colleagues who work in Hamburg had arranged a welcome party for him in a restaurant. Good one, big restaurant. As they walked into the restaurant, they noticed that a lot of tables were empty. There was a table where two young persons were having their meal. There were only two dishes with very simple food in it. Ratan Tata wondered if such a simple meal in such a lavish place was even enjoyable. At another table, there were a few old ladies having food. He observed that when a dish was served to those ladies, the waiter would distribute the food for them and the ladies would finish every bit of the food on their plates. However, they did not pay much attention to them as they were looking forward to the dishes they had ordered. As they were hungry, their local colleague ordered more food. As the restaurant was not that busy, the food came quite fast. Since there were other activities arranged for them during the day, they did not spend much time eating, nor did they consume the entire food that they had ordered. When they finished, there was still about one-third of the unconsumed food left on the table. About to leave the restaurant, they heard someone calling them. They noticed that the old ladies in the restaurant were talking about them to the restaurant owner. When the ladies spoke to them in broken English, they understood that they were unhappy about them wasting so much food. They immediately felt that they were really being too busy to bear this nonsense. One of Ratan Tata's colleagues, irritated, replied to the old ladies, "We have paid for the food that we ordered. It is none of your business how much food we left behind." At this, the old ladies got furious. One of them immediately took out her handphone and made a call to someone. Within a few minutes, a man in uniform claiming to be an officer from Social Security Organization arrived. Now children, Social Security Organization is a government organization in some Western countries. Upon knowing what the dispute was, the officer issued a €50 fine, which is about 5,000 rupees fine, to Ratan Tata and Group. They kept quiet. Ratan Tata's local colleague took out and gave the €50 note and repeatedly apologized to the officer. The officer told them in a very stern voice, "Order only that you can consume. The money may be yours, but the resources belong to the society." Let me repeat this to make a point. The money may be yours, but the resources belong to the society. Kids, here we are struggling to name 5 vegetables, 5 pulses, 5 cereals for our homework. And there is a particular section of the society where a child decides not to ask for more food from his mother, knowing that she herself has skipped dinner to keep them sufficiently fed. Allow me to share some statistics with you. Do you know that every day close to 20 crore Indians sleep hungry in spite of India being the world's largest food producer? Guess where the majority of food goes? Wasted. Do you know that India is ranked 94 out of 107 surveyed countries in Global Hunger Index? It means that we are 14th from the worst countries where people go hungry. And do you know that our farmers produce 27 crore tons of food in their farms annually, but our requirement is only 22 to 25 crore tons. So the quantity of food produced is not an issue here. Children, the mindset of people of rich countries like Germany puts all of us to shame. We really need to reflect on this. To save face or to show off or as an excuse of giving a treat or just a mentality of vasooling the money we have paid on those unlimited meals, unlimited pizzas, we order large quantities of food and much of it is left uneaten and hence wasted. How much? On an average about 1/3 always. For a proper perspective, imagine walking out of a grocery store with 3 bags of groceries, dropping one in the parking lot and just not bothering to pick it up. That's what we are doing. Let me end this with the same sentence a third time. The money may be yours, but the resources belong to the society. And remember, children, there is food for everyone on this planet, but still not everyone eats. So please don't waste food. Live simply so that others may simply live. Good day and happy weekend to all.